Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is March 26th. It's a Tuesday, and right now it's 8:40 p.m. So last night, and the market looks pretty kind of upbeat. And what I recall is what I was kind of doing the update that looks pretty upbeat, and it went all the way up to like a 5240 level. Its equivalent level is like a 5240. So, but by 8:30, and it's being kind of staying up there, and then at 8:30 it kind of come back down. Upon that, like the durable orders, durable good, like data release came out, and then surprisingly today is actually, if we come over to look at the SPX, today it was traded in a amazingly like a narrow range. Like this one is about like 10 points, about 10 points wide between like until the true breakdown is like after like 320 or something like that, 325. So it's a really fascinating move. I only know it moved dramatically here, so that's around like a 325. But it not really sure exactly how it make that that much. I know yesterday when I updated, I said the market had been in the narrow range for a couple of days, and today, saying today it's going to should be a big move, but I have not thought about it. It it show up like this, so I thought it would be either, since it's up here already, so it should be pushing all the way up to here, but it seems it's not. And of course this is very bearish move, and market actually closed low at the low. This almost kind of hitting like a 5200. So what does this really means here? So if I, let me see here. So I have a couple line here. So for this retracement from 5171 ish, go went all the way up to 5261. The midpoint here is 5215. That's something that I updated yesterday, and it seems like market had a very good support here, and it touched here, it bounced right back up here, and when it closed, it did not close below here either. It basically touched it and make it a perfect double bottom here, and then overnight it kind of it went up, and market actually gap up. It's just that it's been kind of looking back, it's been sort of like in a bigger picture, it's more like a drifting down, and then have a certain almost like get to that the slope, and suddenly accelerate and drop like a rock right now. Interestingly, the futures bounce back really hard, and it came back by more than 10 points, and it's a really upbeat here. Now the question here, right, that this 50% level is like a 52.16 and 07. So my question is that will it be able to go above this level? Because apparently this is a very strong level and market really paying attention to it. And again, the question is that is the market have that desire to go above here? To me, it's based on this such kind of a job here. It's unlikely, I would say, from the probability perspective, it's unlikely. But market can do whatever it wants, right? So we shall see. And it seems that as of right now, it's still trying pretty hard to go above this level. And if say you think the market going to continue to go down, this should be a very good spot to take a shorter position, in my opinion. If it went above here, then just close out that shorter position. If it going down, in my opinion, it should be going further down here, and this is another midpoint level. If say we go taking another level down here, so basically that's what I call like the start of this, the low of this run, and that 50% retrace level that put it to like a 51.95, and I guess that that could satisfy lots of people's and the psychology and lots of perspective. It will satisfy lots of people. So get to here 50%, and let's make a decision again. So it would be interesting to see whether that's going to unfold like that. And yeah, and it could be coming down here and then study truly kind of bouncing back up here. But again, I guess yeah, every time it come back down here, it would need to go above this 50 this kind of 50% retrace here. Just like today, and today the market went up, and this 52, but it stopped right at around 52.35. This level is a 50% retrace from Friday's high, when anchoring the close of that Wednesday, and it's like okay, I came back down here, this 150% here, and then trying to come back up, but it was not able to break above that 50% retrace level, and it's just pretty interesting to see. Feel like a little bit kind of pattern here. We shall see. So let's look at tomorrow's calendar. So this the headline is that the U.S. durable goods order will rise more than expected today. Now look at the calendar. So Wednesday, let's see. I'm a bit kind of curious just to also look at the oh, it's a bit confusing to me. Excuse me here. So for 4:30 we do have like a API cruise oil inverting. So now for Wednesday, the first one is 7 o'clock. Is that mortgage data, and then after that it would be not until 10:30 there is a oil inventory release, and then 11:30 that's like the treasury bill auction, and then 1 o'clock another treasury bill auction. And one tricky part is that after the market 6 o'clock there is a speech coming from Fed Waller. And that's it for Wednesday. So for Thursday, there is like a GDP release. It looks like it's pretty important data there. So I'm not going to kind of go through them, but just knowing that some other even more important data will be coming out on Thursday. So I guess that the question is that how the market going to position itself for Thursday. Will it come down to this 50% level, and then so that that important data release would give it a reason to pick a side, pick directions. And the tricky part is that Friday, even more important data will be coming out about the inflation, and also the Fed are going to have a speech as well. That's at 11:30. That's on Friday. So it will be very interesting to see how this play out, and also this is a holiday week and only 4 days. With that, all that said, good luck to everyone. May you be with the energy all time. Thank you.